The Supreme Court handing down a major decision on homelessness today, and now we're hearing from a local homeless organization about how this will impact them. Local 10 Samir Nefsi joins us live from Hollywood with details. Samir.
Louis, so there is a lot to unpack with the Supreme Court's ruling. So it's 30 pages in short, overturning a decision by a lower court that found this ban would violate the 8th Amendment, cruel and unusual punishment. However, the court now deciding that local governments will have the ability to enforce this ban if they see fit.
Sentencing people to years in prison because they were homeless, this is a decision in transition. I don't think this is the final word on this issue.
In a Friday ruling, the Supreme Court voting in a 6-3 vote, allowing cities to enforce a ban on homeless people sleeping outside.
This says local governments can set restrictions up, put a stiff arm out, and if you don't follow my rules, you're going to jail.
The ruling overturns a lower court's finding that the ban would violate the 8th Amendment, cruel and unusual punishment.
I don't think that it goes to that extreme. I think when you talk about basic necessities, and I think the case avoided basic necessity arguments.
Ron Buck with the Miami-Dade Homeless Trust says the finding steers away from addressing the issue of affordable housing and resources, instead criminalizes unhoused people. In January of last year, the Department of Housing and Urban Development reported more than 650,000 people were experiencing homelessness, leaving many questioning the ramifications this ban could have nationwide.
I think any time you believe you can arrest your way out of homelessness, you're fooling yourself. I don't believe in the tooth fairy, I don't believe in pixie dust, and I don't believe in ludicrous things that you can solve this problem by putting people in jail.
All right, and it remains up in the air what this will look like here in South Florida. We have reached out to local law enforcement agencies to get their reaction and if they have any policy set in place in regards to this ban, of course, that just came out today. We're live in Hollywood. I'm Samir Nefsi, Local 10 News.
Samir, thank you.